Who doesn't like winning something? Anyone?
No, I like to win.
I want to win.
No, seriously. Is that even a thing? Real talk. Some of you are wondering right now what the details are for the giveaway. That's because a giveaway is a great tool to grow your audience. LiveReacting created a giveaway feature that is easy to adapt to your product or brand and add to any live stream with little effort.
Yeah, I think I can use that to some advantage.
You offer a prize or incentive to your viewers, and LiveReacting collects all the entries. Toward the end of the time period, LiveReacting selects a random winner or multiple ones, depending on your parameters. The whole process can be automated and doesn't require your input, unless you prefer to be involved. Additionally, it's simple to integrate the giveaway into streaming software like OBS, StreamYard, Ecamm, and others. In this video, we'll look at the highly sought after giveaway feature from LiveReacting. So here we are on the desktop looking at LiveReacting. If you create an account, you can go to kirkarnugent.live/LiveReacting to get a free trial. And once you do that, you'll come to your dashboard and you'll be prompted to create a new project. And projects are essentially different templates and designs that you have for shows. More on that in the full overview of LiveReacting, and I'm going to put a card to that one right here. Today, we're going to do a giveaway. So instead of scrolling through all the templates that are here, and instead of going from scratch and trying to build this out, I'm actually going to utilize using the filter feature here by clicking on giveaways. And when I click on that, you can see only giveaway options are now available in terms of templates. There is a giveaway plus pre-recorded. There's just a generic giveaway that is by itself. Then there's a giveaway with a live host and another giveaway with a live host. And I'm going to select this one at the bottom because it already has something predefined that I want to try out. When I select that, it opens up a new project, which I can rename if I want to. But the first thing I need to do is select a camera. I'm going to select the Insta360 link. There we go. I'm also going to select a microphone, which is the Rodecaster Pro. And now we've got that set up. You can decide whether to turn on or off echo cancellation. Click connect, and now I'm in the stream. I'm in this design with the giveaway next to me. You can make some other changes here to the design and layout. I'm going to leave it alone. It's a little pink for me, but maybe that works for some of you. When we click on giveaway, it allows you to bring up some of the customizations, and configuration is really where I want to go. But I did want you to see that you can change your font family, you can change your primary color, and several other things like that. Like for me, my brand color is purple. So 5809 AB is the specific color that is for how it all works. 5809 AB. And you'll see that some of these elements here have changed to purple, which is great. So now I've got that somewhat branded to my colors. I'm going to click on configuration, and you see here what it says instruction, entry word, instruction, right? So I'm going to close this just for a second so you can see that it says the new iMac 24-inch, and you see here where it says type the entry word in the comments to join. This line is what we're editing. You're also going to be able to edit the time frame and what else pops up here on the screen. So go back to configuration, type, right? Or you can put in enter, you can put input, whatever you want to say, whatever's in your own voice, you can change this here. The entry word is what they will use. That's what's going to enter them into the giveaway, right? If you hover your mouse over the question mark, it gives you some more details there. This is a keyword that players must enter to join your giveaway. Choose any word or phrase, blah, 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 blah. You can do the hashtag, whatever you want to do. Then you have instructions part 2 in the comments to join, right? So this is actually really good. You have display every new entry, right? So we have this here. You can get an example of what it looks like and see Alexander, whatever, joined, enabled to show an automated notification for each new entry. So that kind of pops up. It's really cool to see that on the screen. Display timer. So here, display timer, I'm putting my mouse on the question mark. Display a timer that initiates as soon as your live stream begins. Upon its completion, the system will automatically select a winner. So we have this set to 1200 seconds. We have it set to join, labels, waiting for participants, the winner, picking the winner. These are just some labels that you can type in. Maybe you have it set to a different thing. Maybe you are like, construction terms. Like for me with the workers warehouse, we have contractors, we have foremen, different things like that. You may want to change that. Then you have the prize config, right? You have your title, and you can even put a picture. You can see that one already has one picked there. But if I were to select one, if I were to hit the X, I can actually upload an image if I want to. And you can even go ahead and exclude some winners. Now I'm gonna close this and don't save it because I'm gonna keep it just the way that it is, but I wanted you to be able to see all that it looks like. If I had swapped out that picture, it would have gone right here. Now I can go back here to open stream settings. I'm on my YouTube channel, test giveaway. One of the things I did want you to see here, I am setting this to test giveaway as the title and description. I have selected that I will stop the live stream manually, so I don't need to select a time. And I am not going to select a date and time for this to happen because I'm going to actually interact with it. Click on advanced. Clicking on advanced gives me some further options. And in this case, I do want it to be unlisted because I don't want to notify all of my subscribers about this test live stream. You do have some other functions and features here that you may want to utilize, but I also wanted to highlight that you have this plugin mode for OBS, Wirecast, StreamYard, Ecamm, and other software. This is a really dope piece as well, as I mentioned in the lead up, that you can not only use this inside LiveReacting, you can also use this as a bolt-on feature function to your favorite streaming platform. We click save here. All those settings are done. It's going to stream to my YouTube channel unlisted, and I can click go live. All right, so now we're live on YouTube, and if I go up to my YouTube icon here, I can go, it comes down with a dialog box, and I can actually go to see that YouTube video is live here. And so now I'm here, and I can simply type in the chat, hi Mac, enter. And so those comments will come into LiveReacting in the chat section here on the side. You can see those comments have come in. You can also see that my picture has popped up here in the comments section, and I can go back to YouTube and see how this looks here as well. So here we are, and we have multiple accounts that have entered iMac into the chat. And we will have to fast forward the time to see how it selects the winner. Back in the studio, if you click on the time, you can actually select to draw a winner. I also want to showcase here that you can paste this link into the chat. This is a link for players to claim their prize. This is only for YouTube, but I did want you to see how that works. So how to verify and contact the winner of a YouTube giveaway. This is specifically for YouTube. Pretty dope that they have this already integrated here. You can see what that looks like. You grab that link. You'd ask the player to click that link who has won, player or players, viewers, whatever you want to call them. They would come into the system, provide their YouTube login, and they would be met with contact email received. We will reach out to you shortly. So this is just another way for you to be able to verify who has won and that they are indeed the right person. But I just want to stress again that this is for YouTube only. So here we can see what this looks like. There's 15 minutes left. We're not going to wait for that. Let's actually go and select the winner. So we click here, draw winner, and you'll see that it's kind of highlighting the different names here, and we will see that pop up in just a second, that it will select a winner. All right, so and then you can reset your results, and look, Incubator's Couch is the winner, and that's pretty dope. If I go back over here to YouTube and click on live, you can see that it indeed has also selected a winner there as well. So that is pretty cool. The giveaway feature is just one of many interactive elements available from LiveReacting. There are polls to gain feedback and votes. There are games to ensure knowledge transfer and for other purposes as well. Everyone likes to have a little fun during a live. And of course, giveaways, which we covered here today. If you're interested in seeing some of the examples of the other types of interactive elements, go ahead and hit this video right here, right? I go over all the interactive elements in LiveReacting and show live examples from live video creators from all over the world. Click right here to watch, and I'll see you over there. Grace and peace, fam.